iOS 18, how to create dark mode icons for any app on iPhone. If you're trying to turn your iPhone's home screen app icons dark by utilizing the new customization options in iOS 18, you may have run up against the issue that some app icons deny turning dark. Gadinsider has compiled a step-by-step guide of how you can create dark mode icons for any app on iPhone. First off, run the shortcut and type in the name of the app whose icon you want to move dark. Then, choose it from the search results. The icon will be saved in your photo library. Next, save the following dark background image to your photo library. Long press to save to photos. Visit remove.bg's Change Background Web tool. Then tap the blue Upload Image button and choose the app icon saved in your photos. Under Background Image, tap Select File. Then choose the dark background image saved in your photos. Press and hold the resulting image on the remove.bg webpage. Then tap Save to Photos in the contextual menu. Now open Shortcuts and tap the plus button at the top to create a new shortcut. Then select the Open App action. Tap the blue App text in the Open App action. Then select the app whose icon you want to make dark. Tap the chevron app at the top of the screen. Select Add to Home Screen from the drop-down menu. Title the shortcut as the app's name and choose your custom dark icon for the photo. Then tap Add to finish. It's important to know that if you have different app icons that you want to create dark mode equivalents for, ensure to create a new Open App shortcut for each one as you go.